They told us eggs were dangerous, but no one told you that eating just 2 eggs a day could slow down aging, boost your brain, and stop muscle loss in old age. The truth? It's shocking. And most seniors have no idea. You've probably heard all sorts of things about eggs. They raise cholesterol. They're bad for your heart. Or eat them only once in a while. But guess what? Science is changing. And what we know now might completely change how you see this little food. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what happens to your body, your heart, your brain, your muscles, when you eat just 2 eggs every single day for a whole month. By the end of this, you'll know whether eggs are a secret superfood or something to avoid. What's inside an egg? Eggs are one of the healthiest foods you can eat. They are small, but packed with a lot of nutrients that help keep your body strong and healthy. Let's take a look at what's inside an egg and why it's so good for you. 1. High-quality protein. Eggs are rich in protein, which is very important for your muscles, bones, and overall body strength. As we get older, our muscles can weaken, so it's important to eat enough protein to help keep them strong. 2 eggs a day give you a good amount of protein, helping you stay active and strong. 2. Vitamins. Like B12, D, and A. Eggs contain vitamin B12, which is great for keeping your nerves and brain healthy. It also helps in making red blood cells. Vitamin D helps keep your bones strong by allowing your body to use calcium properly. As we age, our bodies need more vitamin D to maintain bone health. Vitamin A is good for your eyes and skin, helping you see better and keeping your skin healthy. 3. Minerals. Like iron and selenium. Eggs are a good source of iron, which helps carry oxygen in your blood. This is especially important as we age because it can help reduce tiredness and keep you energized. They also contain selenium, which is an important mineral that helps protect your body's cells from damage. This means eggs support your immune system and help keep you healthy. 4. Choline. Choline is another important nutrient found in eggs, and it's great for your brain and nerve function. It helps improve memory and supports your brain's health, especially as you get older. How eggs can strengthen your body. Eggs don't just taste good. They are packed with nutrients that can help you stay strong and active as you get older. Here's how eating 2 eggs every day can help strengthen your body. 1. Help repair muscles. As we age, our muscles can become weaker, which makes it harder to stay active and do everyday tasks. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is the building block your muscles need to stay strong and repair themselves. Protein helps rebuild muscle after you've been active. If you eat 2 eggs a day, the protein helps your muscles recover quickly, so you can stay active without feeling weak or tired. 2. Keep bones and legs strong. When we get older, our bones can become weaker, which may lead to more falls or fractures. Vitamin D in eggs helps your body absorb calcium, which is key to keeping bones strong. Protein in eggs also supports bone health and helps your muscles work properly, so you're less likely to experience bone loss. Eating eggs daily gives you the nutrients you need to keep your bones and legs strong, which is important for walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up from a chair. 3. Better balance and mobility. Strong muscles are key to good balance. As we get older, it's common to experience a loss of balance and flexibility, which increases the risk of falls. Muscle strength plays a major role in keeping you steady on your feet. The protein and vitamins in eggs support your muscles, helping you maintain better balance and mobility. This means you can move around more easily and feel more confident doing daily activities without worrying about falling. Good for the brain. As we age, one of the biggest concerns is memory loss or mental decline. Forgetting small things, losing focus, or feeling confused can become more common with age. But here's some good news. Something as simple as eating 2 eggs every day may actually help protect your brain and memory. 1. Choline, the brain's best friend. Eggs are one of the best natural sources of a nutrient called choline. Most people don't know about it, but choline is very important for your brain. It helps your brain cells send signals properly, and that means better memory, focus, and concentration. As we get older, the level of choline in the body can go down, and low choline is linked to memory problems. Eating eggs daily helps give your brain the choline it needs to stay sharp and active. Second, may slow mental decline. Studies suggest that eating choline-rich foods like eggs may help slow down age-related memory loss. This means you may remember things better, feel more alert, and keep your brain younger for longer. It's not a cure, but it's a helpful step. Choline may also help reduce the risk of serious brain conditions like dementia or Alzheimer's in the long run. And since eggs are easy to make and affordable, they're a simple way to support long-term brain health. 3. Eggs give more than just choline. Besides choline, eggs also have vitamin B12, which supports nerves and brain function. A lack of B12 can make you feel tired, confused, or forgetful, and eggs can help prevent that. So, if you want to keep your mind clear, your memory strong, and reduce the risk of mental decline as you age, adding 2 eggs a day to your diet can be a smart and simple choice. Impact on heart health. For many years, people were told to avoid eggs because of cholesterol. But now, new research has changed the story, especially for older adults. 1. Yes, eggs have cholesterol. But that's not always a problem. Eggs, especially the yolk, do contain cholesterol. But the cholesterol in food doesn't affect your blood cholesterol as much as once thought. For most healthy seniors, eating eggs doesn't increase the risk of heart disease. 2. Eggs may raise good cholesterol, HDL. One of the best things about eggs is that they can actually raise your good cholesterol, called HDL. This type of cholesterol helps remove the bad cholesterol, LDL, from your blood. Higher HDL levels are linked with a lower risk of heart problems. So, for many people, eggs can be part of a heart-friendly diet. 3. Not harmful for most healthy seniors. If you're generally healthy and don't have a heart condition, eating 2 eggs a day is usually safe. In fact, eggs can give your body important nutrients like protein, vitamin D, and B12, all of which are helpful for seniors. 4. But some people should be careful. If you already have heart disease, very high cholesterol, or diabetes, you should talk to your doctor before eating eggs daily. Everyone's body is different, so it's important to make sure eggs fit your personal health plan. So, if you are a healthy senior, don't be afraid of eggs. They may actually help your heart, not harm it, as long as they're eaten in balance and prepared in a healthy way. Help with weight and appetite. Many people, especially as they grow older, struggle with weight gain and sudden hunger. The good news? Eggs can help, not just by giving your body energy, but also by helping control your appetite and keeping your weight steady. 1. Eggs keep you full for longer. When you eat eggs, especially at breakfast, they help you feel full for a longer time. That's because eggs are rich in high-quality protein, which takes more time to digest. This means you're less likely to feel hungry soon after eating, and that can lead to fewer snacks and less overeating throughout the day. 2. Fewer cravings, less snacking. Snacking on unhealthy foods, especially sugary or salty ones, can slowly lead to weight gain. But when you start your day with 2 eggs, you may find that you don't crave those snacks as much. This is because eggs help keep your blood sugar levels stable, reducing the ups and downs that often trigger cravings. 3. Can support weight loss or control. If you're trying to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy weight, eggs can be a great part of your plan. A balanced breakfast with eggs can reduce your total calorie intake over the day, without leaving you feeling weak or tired. Eggs give you energy, keep your stomach satisfied, and provide important nutrients without too many calories. So, eating 2 eggs in the morning isn't just a healthy habit, it's a smart way to control hunger, reduce snacking, and support weight balance as you age. Who should be careful with eggs? Eggs are full of nutrients and have many health benefits, but they may not be right for everyone. While most seniors can safely enjoy 2 eggs a day, there are a few groups of people who should be more cautious. 1. People with high cholesterol. If you have very high cholesterol or a history of heart disease, it's important to be careful. Eggs do contain cholesterol, mostly in the yolk. While new studies show they don't affect everyone the same way, some people may still experience a rise in blood cholesterol if they eat too many eggs. That's why it's a good idea to talk to your doctor before making eggs a daily habit. 2. People with diabetes. If you have diabetes, especially type 2, you should also be cautious. Some research has shown that eating eggs every day may slightly increase heart disease risk in people with diabetes. However, this depends on the person's overall health and diet. So, if you have diabetes, don't avoid eggs completely. Just check with your doctor to see what's best for you. 3. People with egg allergies. This one is very clear. If you're allergic to eggs, you should not eat them. Symptoms can include skin rashes, stomach upset, or more serious reactions. Always avoid eggs if your body doesn't tolerate them well. So while eggs are safe and healthy for most seniors, anyone with high cholesterol, diabetes, or an egg allergy should get medical advice first. A quick chat with your doctor can help you enjoy eggs safely and confidently. Best ways to eat eggs. Daily eggs are healthy, but how you cook them can make a big difference. To get the most benefits and avoid extra fats, it's important to choose the right cooking methods, especially for seniors who want to stay fit and heart healthy. 1. Boiled eggs. Simple and nutritious. Boiled eggs are one of the healthiest ways to eat eggs. You don't need oil, butter, or anything extra. Just boil the eggs, peel, and enjoy. They keep all the nutrients, are easy to digest, and are great for breakfast, lunch, or even a snack. 2. Poached eggs, light and soft. Poached eggs are cooked in hot water without any oil or fat. This method also keeps the nutrients in and doesn't add any extra calories. It's a gentle way to cook eggs, especially good for those with digestion issues or seniors who want to avoid too much fat. 3. Scrambled, but keep it light. Scrambled eggs can be healthy too, but only if cooked with minimal oil or butter. Use a non-stick pan and a small amount of olive oil or cooking spray. Avoid adding too much salt, butter, or cheese, which can turn a healthy egg into a fatty meal. For extra health, you can add some chopped veggies like spinach or tomatoes. 4. What to avoid. Avoid deep frying eggs or cooking them in lots of butter. Also, skip heavy toppings like lots of cheese or cream. These add unnecessary fats and calories, which can be harmful for heart health and weight control. So, if you want to enjoy eggs every day, stick to boiled, poached, or lightly scrambled eggs. These methods are easy, tasty, and most importantly, good for your health. After 30 days, what might you notice? If you eat 2 eggs every day for 30 days, you may start to feel some positive changes in your body and mind. Eggs are packed with important nutrients, and when eaten regularly, they can support your overall health in many ways. 1. More energy throughout the day. Eggs are a great source of protein and B vitamins, which help your body produce energy. After 30 days, you may notice that you feel less tired and more active. Many seniors report having more strength to get through their daily routines without feeling drained. 2. Less hunger between meals. Because eggs help you feel full for longer, you may notice you're not snacking as much during the day. Fewer cravings and less mindless eating can help you control your weight without much effort. This simple change can have a big impact on your eating habits. 3. Better muscle strength. The protein in eggs helps your muscles repair and stay strong. After a few weeks, especially if you're doing light activity or walking regularly, you may notice better muscle strength, particularly in your legs. This can help you stay more stable and active. 4. Sharper focus and mental clarity. Eggs contain choline and B12, nutrients that support brain health. After 30 days, some people feel their mind is clearer, their memory sharper, and they feel more focused in their daily tasks. So if you're consistent, eating 2 eggs a day for 30 days may help you feel stronger, more energized, and mentally sharper, all from one small change in your daily routine. Conclusion. So, what happens if you eat 2 eggs every day for a month? You may be surprised by how much this small habit can support your health. Eggs are nutritious, affordable, and easy to prepare. In just 30 days, you might feel more energy to get through your day, less hunger and fewer unhealthy snacks, stronger muscles and bones, especially in your legs, sharper focus and better memory. For most healthy seniors, eggs are safe and beneficial, especially when cooked in healthy ways like boiling, poaching, or light scrambling. But remember, if you have high cholesterol, diabetes, or an egg allergy, it's best to talk to your doctor before making eggs a daily habit. Sometimes, the simplest foods give the biggest results. By adding just 2 eggs to your daily routine, you could support your heart, brain, muscles, and appetite, all in one go. Give it 30 days, and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and share it with a friend or family member who might benefit too. And if you've ever tried eating eggs daily, or you're planning to start, let us know in the comments how it worked for you. For more simple and helpful health tips made just for seniors, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your health is in your hands, and we're here to help every step of the way.